Hi, third graders. Let's review your daily math review. So, first box says the third grade classes have recess for 20 minutes every day. Draw the hands on the clocks to show what time recess ends. So here's the start time. Let's figure out what the start time is. I know the shorthand is the hour, and the shorthand is between the 12 and the 1. If it's not to the 1 yet, I know I'm going to stay at 12. My long hand is the minute hand, and if we start at the 12, we can skip count by 5s to see how many minutes have passed. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the time here that we start is 12:25. So we can either use our jump strategy like I was just doing to find 20 minutes later, or we can add it up just by saying, okay, 12:25 plus another 20 minutes would be 12:45. So I know that my red shorthand will still be between the 12 and the 1, and it's going to be a little bit closer to the 1 though, because it's almost the next hour. My longer hand, my hour hand, is going to be at 45 minutes. So that would be, okay, this is 30, so if I skip count by 5s, 35, 40, 45 points at the 9. So I will make my long hand pointed at the 9. Next question. Order the numbers from least to greatest. So this one has to be the lowest, this one has to be the highest, the greatest. You can see that these are in 3 different forms. We have standard form, we have word form, and we have expanded form. So standard form is easy to compare. We're going to change everything else into standard form. So 8,203. Well, I don't see any 10s, so 0 in the tens place, and then 3. My last one is an expanded form, so I will just answer when I add them all together. So 2,890. So the number that is the least, okay, the smallest number, I'm going to look in the thousands place since all of these have thousands. That's 2,000, 8,000, 6,000. Well, 2,000 is definitely the smallest. So 2,890 goes first. The next smallest number would be this 6 in the thousands place. So 6,385 goes next. And the biggest number is 8,203. Check yours, mark it correct, or fix it. Your next problem says what temperature is shown on the thermometer. So we can see that this thermometer is being measured in degrees Celsius, and I can see that it starts at the bottom and it goes all the way up, and we're going to look to see where it stops. It stops right here, which is at 20 degrees. So you should write 20, that little symbol degrees, and then Celsius. Or you could write it down here where it's supposed to be. There you go. Next box, find the missing number. So we have 6,346 plus something equals 8,942. So this is the part, and this would be the whole. So I need to subtract to find that other part. So 8,942 minus 6,346. I cannot solve 2 minus 6, so I need to borrow. My 4 becomes a 3, my 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. I cannot do 3 minus 4, I need to borrow. This 9 becomes an 8, this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5, bring my comma down. 8 minus 6 is 2. My answer here is 2,596. If I wanted to check my answer, I could always add those two numbers together and make sure it equals 8,942. The next one says, use the array to find the missing factor. Well, 7 times what equals 70? You probably know this one off the top of your head, but we know we have 7 groups here, and in each group would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The groups are 7, the size is 10. The product is 70. Put a star if you got those correct. Once you've checked all of yours, you may submit this to school.